Hey everyone, this is Mark Spitzig, just showing you some of the features of my child's toy assignment. So we'll get it started right here, and it's kind of a space theme. My daughter really loves looking at the stars and spaceships and all that good stuff, planets. So I went with that theme, and the first thing you notice, again, just a black background, but if I hit the space bar, if I tap it, sort of we get the galaxy in the background that loads up here, and it's up for only as long as I'm holding the space bar. So I release it and tap it, and it just pops up briefly, and every time the stars are sort of randomly generated in the background for like different places in the galaxy. But next up, if you click on the screen, you get the planets. So we got Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and I did include Pluto because I'm sentimental like that. But if you keep on clicking, you'll notice you'll get all of them cycling around again. So you can go ahead, I'm using the touch screen now, so you can just touch screen all of these, put planets all over the screen as much as you want. And of course, if you want to clear it, you use the space bar. It sort of sucks into the black hole and they all go away and we start fresh. The next thing is if which I spent entirely way too much time on, was the if I hit W, that'll give me warp speed, which sort of if you look at the actual video of this going, it looks a lot better than the screen capture. It only captures every other frame, so it doesn't actually look that good. It kind of looks like random stars. But if you look at the video, you can kind of see they're all sort of starting at the middle, and it kind of looks like we're going warp speed with the stars flying by us. So that's the going way. So that was W for warp speed, S for stop, and I can sort of continue on from that. So we got, yes, W, do that. So if we stop, we can continue, of course, add planets as we choose, and just picks up where they left off in the cycle of 9 planets, or 8 plus Pluto, I guess. Again, always sort of go back to that main thing with the space bar. If I hit any of the number keys, it'll actually put a star on the screen. Sort of a friendly star. If I hit another one, it'll add another one. So on the bottom left, it gives me a random color of the last button that's pressed, and on the bottom right, it gives me a random color of the current sum of these stars that are up there, or should be up there. If I hit, let's say, 3, you'll notice that now I have 5, right? Because it got added to it. So every time it does add it up, and sort of the goal here is to get 10. So if I have 5 now, hit another 5, it'll put 10 up, say, hey, I added a 10, and sort of clear and start again. If I do 3 plus 4, now I've got 7, now I hit 5, well, that's too big, it'll say so and restart. So the idea is to get up to 10 every time. The final thing is, instead of just simply clicking and getting a planet, if you click and hold, you actually draw a rocket ship that size that you're drawing. So from the bottom left to top left to the bottom right corner. So if I want to make it really skinny, I can do that. If I want to make it kind of fat, I can do that as well, or sort of any variety. And I can choose, between, of course, clicking and dragging, or just clicking for planets. There's Jupiter in there. Let's put a rocket on Jupiter, a few rockets on Jupiter, and so they're all over the screen, drawn of various sizes. Maybe we touch screen for some more planets. It also works to touch screen to draw a rocket. So there they are. Of course, want to clear, you go back to there, and that about wraps it up. Thank you guys for watching.